Hello everyone, now I am explaining about the normal distribution. Importance. Many dependent variables are commonly assumed to be normally distributed in the population. If a variable is approximately normally distributed, we can make inference about values of that variable. Normal distribution. A graphical representation of the normal distribution. It is determined by the mean and the standard deviation. It a symmetric, unmodeled bell-shaped curve. Its tails extending infinity in the both the direction. The wider the curve, the larger the standard deviation, and the more variation exists in the process. This spread of the curve is equivalent to sixth standard deviation of the process. Why to use normal distribution? Use it to illustrate the shape and variable of the data. Use it to estimate future process performance. Normality in an importance assumption when conducting satisfied. Examples: the body temperature for healthy women, the height and weight of adults, the thickness and dimensions of the product, quality control test results, and errors in measurement. The standard normal distribution. Standard scores are expressed in standard deviation units to compare variables measured on different scales. There are many kinds of standard scores. The most common is the Z scores. How much the original score lines above or below the mean of normal curve. All normal distribution can be converted into the standard normal curve by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation. Application of normal curve model. Using z-scores to compare two row score from different distribution can determine related frequency and probability, can determine the percentile rank, and also can determine the proportion of scores between the mean and a particular score, can determine the number of people within a particular range and score by multiplying the proportion by n. Application of normal distribution. Comparing two scores on two different tests to determine percentage of the individual whose score lies between two scores and to determine percentage of the individual scoring above a given score point, to determine percentile rank, and also to determine the limits of the score between which certain percentage of these cases lies. And also we used normal distribution in a business which we can see here. Thank you.